Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. So my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, my people, I have some breaking and some sad news, my people. Because right now, in Jamaica, my people, a lot of people is mourning right now. You understand? And especially students, teachers, and basically staff of the H0ME Primary School, my people. They are in mourning right now. Because the principal of this school, my people, and his wife was tragically killed in the United States of America, my people. So based on reports from me, I get my viewers and subscribers, never get exactly where in the United States of America, but it is said that on Friday, the 3rd of January 2024, my people, they were traveling in a car, they and their two daughters, my people, a grandparent, you understand, and they were on their way to the airport. And when they were traveling, them end up get a flat tire, my people. The grandmother and the two kids, they were in the car. And them said that the principal, you understand, who goes by the name of O'Neil, and his wife, Kamisha, they came out to try to repair the tire. And while they were doing so, my people, them say a pickup truck was coming. And the pickup truck managed to sadly knock them, my people. They never make it. You understand? They never make it. People try and think, but them never make it, my people. And when them do the checks, they found out that the driver of this pickup truck, he was drunk, my people, under the influence. So it is a very sad situation, my people. This principal was well loved. You understand? People love him. Right now, you go on social media, you can see how much people, hundreds of people, are pouring out their condolences. A lot of people who know this man in the past and they say, yo, they cannot believe. You understand? And this is a thing I'm saying the other day, my people. It seems like good people not live long. Or why good people have died in some type of way where we can't understand. And you see the wicked ones, them, then dip on earth to be a serpent in a people's life. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So let me just read this article right now, my people, pertaining to this thing, so you can get a brief understanding of this principle, you understand, and where others who know him I share them thoughts and things about him. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Rest in peace to this principal and his wife. And my deepest condolences to all his family. You understand? Just to know how his kids are coping right now, my people. They must be so traumatized. They were on vacation, my people. And they were on their way to the airport to head back to Jamaica because you know it's a school ago. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Kingston, Jamaica. The principal of H0ME Primary School, O'Neil Stevens, and his wife, Kamisha Lindsay Stevens, were killed in a motor vehicle collision on Friday, has learned. This has been confirmed by Vice Principal Marsha Moody Benbow in a letter to the board staff, parents, and students. While details as to where and what the accident occurred were not mentioned, Moody Benbow informed that the fatal crash took place on Friday. She also said classes will not resume at H0ME until Tuesday, January 7th. The board of management, teachers, staff, parents, and students, H0ME Primary School, Kingston, Jamaica. Dear members of the H0ME Primary School community, it is with profound sadness and a heavy heart that I write to inform you of the tragic passing of our beloved principal, Mr. O'Neil Stevens, and his wife, Mrs. Kamisha Lindsay Stevens. They were involved in a fatal accident on January 3rd, 2025. And despite the efforts of emergency personnel, their lives were sadly lost. Mr. Stevens was more than an exemplary leader. He was a beacon of inspiration and dedication. His vision for excellence in education and his unwavering commitment to the holistic development of our students left an indelible mark on our school community. Alongside him, Mrs. Stevens was a supportive partner and a cherished presence in our extended school family, always contributing with grace and generosity. We know this news will deeply affect all of us, students, parents, teachers, and staff alike. During this challenging time, we encourage everyone to lean on one another for support. The ministry will be providing support as well, as counselors will be made available at the school to provide guidance and comfort to those in need. As we come to terms with this loss, let us honor their memory by continuing to uphold the values and principles they championed. Please keep their daughters and the family and loved ones in your thoughts and prayers during this period of unimaginable grief. If you need additional support, do not hesitate to reach out to the school's administration. May we all find strength in unity as we navigate this heartbreaking time together. Yours in sorrow, Marsha Moody Benbow, Vice Principal. And this, as Mr. People, them said there will be no school for students on Monday, January 6, 2025. Not until students. So basically, them I get the student them some time, my people feel. I don't know. My viewers and my subscribers. And just looking at the pictures of this man and his wife, my people, can't show him daughters, them face and thing. But I'm just saying, yo, life, eh? The new year just began in my people. They were, over in the United States, chilling, relaxing with family, having a great and wonderful time. School shall reopen Monday, so they were on their way, you understand, heading to the airport. They developed a flat tire on the way, my people. They came out the car, you understand, and said them attend to get this thing fixed because you don't know they're on the way to the airport. Them not want to be late for them flight and miss them flight. You know school is opening, they want to prepare himself, get him daughters, them ready and everything. And this drunk man from nowhere at this same time, you understand, drinking and drunk, my people, speeding, managed to knock both of them down. As I told them, my people, them say medical personnel, they came fast. But based on the impact of this knock, my people, and the severe injuries that they received, them never make it. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Life is a thing. And I back to saying, my people, is that why good people, great people, life have to cut so short in most times. And the wicked demonic creatures them stay so long. Honestly, I never knew this man in person, my people, but I can feel it by just looking at the picture and see how the man and his family was living. Like, it's just sad. Sad, my people. Sad. Eh? And I was saying this, the other day again to somebody. I was saying, yo, life is a thing like, when a time does come, what can you do? Eh? And it's just sad to know how some people, time come in some form or way, in some matter. Eh? Just imagine, my people, these two daughters, young daughters in the ride, grandma. And, their father and mother was outside trying to repair the tire. And at the time, they witnessed and saw this thing happen right in front of their own eyes. Can you imagine, my people, the pain and how they must be traumatized, the shocked? Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people, I feel this to my heart. Me I tell them I feel it. It's a sad, sad situation. Them always tell people, don't drink and drive, my people. But some people, they drink and they drive and they don't care. Because drinking and driving for them, my people, is just like, it's nothing. But they don't think when a man said don't drink and drive, it's all about saving other people's life too, other motorists. Because on the road, anything can occur. Just like how this man and his wife came out to attend to a tire, my people. And from nowhere, this demonic sin thing does come, pop up. Again and again, as I said before, I want to send out my deepest condolences to the family, to all the students of this primary school, just rolling, my people. All the staff members, parents, everyone who came across, this couple's life, my people, and share moments with them. I know you all are going through a lot right now because the pain, the pain. But my viewers and my subscribers, the Almighty knows what's best. That's why I always say, the Almighty. Just leave it into the Almighty hands and let it take control. My people, thank you all for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. It's a tough one, my people. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. Follow me on all social media platforms, you know. Sad man, Jaja sees. Jaja.